Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, the Bitcoin chart has come down a little lower yesterday, and we talked about here an unfolding 5-wave move to the downside. This would still be the expectation that we get here a 5-wave move down. For me, the last move down here still looks fairly corrective, so I cannot confirm yet that the wave 4 has topped. I may do that throughout the course of the day. Key is to understand that we are still focusing on lower against 26,450. If that level gets broken to the upside, we have to adjust. I mean, if it gets to that level now and breaks it, this is too huge for a wave 4. So what could it be then? I mean, if it really rallies higher from here, I would see it as a high B wave that could potentially rally into the 29K area. Yeah, I don't like that scenario from here. There are various reasons for it, but because this move down starts to look quite impulsive, okay? So again, I'm very open to the idea that the wave 4 could have topped. That's why we have it highlighted here in white, how this would look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this would have been a wave 1 with a wave 2 pullback, but that means it should not break above 25,860 anymore, or it would, probably create a more complex wave 4 in a WXY structure. I also indicated to you yesterday the relevant Fibonacci support here at 25,470. Only if that level gets broken, really significantly, the probabilities increase that this wave 4 has already topped in resistance and that we're coming down lower to what I would say should be the 24K area next. As you will remember, we highlighted that we would like to see another low here. We've been waiting for it, but we also said that over the weekend we should see the wave 4 as sideways action, which happened, corrective action, and then it would the next move down should be a flush below the low of the 17th of August. Now, key resistance in this box basically is 26,180. That's the ideal resistance or ideal target level for a wave 4 normally. The price, missed it by, I don't know, $40, but it doesn't need to get there. It's just ideal if it gets there. And then the 50% Fibonacci level is just above it. And only a break above that would make this wave 4 very unlikely. So that means even now, I'm happy for this wave 4 to extend as long as it stays below 26,450. This is really the key threshold level that we need to use to focus on lower. In this area, it can do anything theoretically, but of course, it shouldn't get too massive. I mean, if it doesn't get the flush today, I'm starting to think, okay, is it something else? Is it maybe a wave 2 or is it the B wave, But at the moment, the focus is still on lower. And yeah, the move down could have started. It's just that also the move down is not impulsive. Okay, so it's not clearly impulsive because you have some overlapping price action here. And therefore, I'm counting the wave 1 in white here as a diagonal. But again, this just leaves the door open for potentially a deeper wave 4, because if the move down isn't impulsive, this could also, as I said, just be a WXY. And then it will be difficult, however, due to the point of control, due to all this historical resistance here before, it will be difficult for the price to push much higher. Just be aware of that. It got rejected here already around the point of control at around 26,050. Can see where that was running. Basically here, a lot of volume traded, and exactly there is where price got rejected. So it just couldn't get above, okay? And now it's coming lower, lower lows, lower highs. And let's see if it can react here to the 78.6 support level. And if it can't, then this will increase the chances or probabilities for a more direct drop in a wave 5. Just be aware that even if we break below the 78.6 Fib level, you can see that the price got bought up, or the BTC got bought up quite quickly here around this larger degree, 50% Fib level at 25,350. So, so it would really be an important support level here, or it's quite an important support range here. But what is interesting is that we had this, we had the price oscillate around this point of control all the time. It tried to rally, okay, failed, dropped below it, retested from below, which is certainly, I would say, short-term bearish, and got rejected and could really sell off further now. I'll certainly observe that for you. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content then please check out the channel membership, and also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter, or X, how it's called now. So you can find the links for those in the video description. And as a channel member, you get access to weekly live streams. You can access our Discord and Telegram live chat rooms. There's a lot of educational material about Elliott Wave, trading, TA, and as a gold member, you get additional short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.